Hi, and welcome to Duality. Today I'm going to walk you through a new feature we're introducing, the Duality AI Assistant, which empowers analysts and researchers with privacy-preserving AI assistance. The assistant helps expedite your research by using an intelligent agent to operate within the Duality platform. It provides intelligent guidance by learning from your content, transforming into a personalized domain expert that understands your context and research goals. It streamlines your workflows by automating repetitive tasks and initiating computations, so you can spend less time learning new tools and more time focused on high-value research. The assistant operates through an intuitive chat interface that eliminates the need to master complex tools and languages. From a security standpoint, the assistant maximizes the use of privacy-enhancing technologies already embedded in the Duality platform. It also respects user permissions, ensuring that only authorized data is accessed and analyzed. Additionally, organizations can configure their own LLM account and control whether results are shared with it. The assistant provides several key benefits. Use simple English for complex computations. No need to learn new platforms or query languages. Just describe your goals in plain language. Deep research mode. Start with a hypothesis and let the assistant build your research plan, run the analysis, and walk you through the results. AI-powered insights. Surface hidden patterns and correlations that might otherwise go unnoticed. Automated reporting. With a single click, generate a formatted report ready to be shared with colleagues. Let's see how it works in the product. Here we have the chat interface of the Duality AI Assistant. You can begin by typing any question, hypothesis, or task, such as asking the assistant to run a computation for you. In this demo, I'll describe myself as a pediatric cancer researcher and define my research question: how different cancer types impact patient survival times. I'll ask the assistant to list available datasets for analysis in this project, describe the data schemas, and summarize the computations that can be performed. The assistant will also suggest a research plan based on my question. In response, I receive a detailed description of the available datasets, including column names, definitions, and relevant computations such as survival analysis and cross-tabulation. Let's now ask the assistant to run a cross-tabulation based on my prompt. The assistant interprets my request and asks me to input the parameters for the computation. I simply tell it to use its own understanding to fill in the parameters. I could have also requested a validation step, but in this case, the assistant proceeds to send an API call to the Duality platform to initiate the session. Within seconds, the session starts and runs the analysis, utilizing privacy-preserving technologies to ensure no sensitive data is exposed. The results include a breakdown of patient survival rates by cancer classification. The assistant even provides a brief interpretation and prompts further exploration. I can continue asking follow-up questions or let the assistant guide me through the next steps in the analysis. At this point, I choose to click Create Report. The assistant generates a comprehensive summary of the research conducted so far, including key findings and results. Now I can download and share the final report with colleagues. It's formatted and ready to use. Thanks for watching this overview of the Duality AI Assistant. Stay tuned for future updates and enhancements.